In this video, I'll show you how to use the Talabat delivering app on your mobile device. If you find this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into it. All right, open up the Talabat delivery app on your mobile device and you'll be brought to the home page of Talabat. Make sure when you're here, make sure you've got the correct address here. So click on your top left-hand corner, search for your address and then click on deliver here. Because if you don't put in the correct address, your food will be sent to the wrong address, which you don't want that to happen. Once you've done that, you can search for a particular restaurant here, or you can click onto food or the Talabat marked groceries, etc. So for this demonstration, I'm going to click on food. And then you'll be brought to a page that looks like this. Mind you, you can pick up your food and save 10% off your order. So if it's pretty close, you can actually walk down and grab it. But if you're lazy or you just can't be bothered, click on delivery. All right, and then once you scroll down a bit, you see restaurants you know. So you can scroll across here and pick out something you want to order from here. Or scroll down again and you can sort by all restaurants. You can sort by A to Z, high ratings, fast delivery. So I'm going to do high rating and click on apply. And then scroll down again. And now this is going to filter out the best restaurants by their rating. So as you can see, we've got Jan's noodles. It's pretty high. It's Thai Asian noodles. So I'm going to click into that. I'm going to make a random order. So I can scroll across here from starters, main course, specials, sides, etc. So I'm going to choose main course. I'm going to choose these beef noodles with rice noodles. Scroll down. I'm going to add Miranda with it. You can add a special note here if you want your beef noodles cooked a certain way, like your beef overcooked, undercooked, how you like your noodles, etc. Or any dietary requirements, you can add that in here. Then click on add to basket. And now once you're done, click on view basket. And you can double check your order here. All right, so I'm going to remove these chicken noodles. Going to keep that Pepsi and the Miranda drink. Once you've done that, click onto checkout. Also, if you've got any voucher codes, you can put your voucher code by clicking on that box there and type it in there. And then click on submit. And if you need cutlery, you can enable cutlery. Any other special requests, chuck that in there. And then once you've done that, click on checkout. And then once you've checked out, you need to continue with Google, Facebook, or email. But because I'm not from that country, I can't currently check out to show you the rest of this demonstration. But once you've logged in, add in your credit card details, PayPal to check out, and your food will be delivered within that certain time frame they suggestion.